Good morning, everyone. Everything I'm going to share has been validated by the mechanics here in the shop, so let's show you the solution for each issue. One of the problems we see a lot in the shop involves the electrical and multimedia systems, especially the touchscreen, Bluetooth, and features like Apple CarPlay. Several customers tell us the screen freezes while I'm driving, or Bluetooth disconnects on its own even when I don't touch the phone. We explain that most of these issues are software or communication problems between the multimedia unit and the hardware. In the shop, we usually update the system, check connections, and if the problem persists, replace the unit. As we say among mechanics, sometimes the car just needs to be taught how to talk to its own systems. And while we're checking that, it's not uncommon for dashboard alerts or driver assist sensor issues to appear, like stability control or automatic brakes. Customers tell us, the check engine light comes on for no reason, or the safety alert won't turn off. In those cases, we inspect sensors and connectors and recalibrate the systems, and most of the time, that solves the problem. In the shop, we always say that these alerts are like an early warning from the car. If you ignore it, a small issue can become a big one. And connected to that, another thing we see a lot is small engine irregularities or slightly higher oil consumption. Some owners say, the car feels sluggish when I accelerate, or I have to add oil more often than usual. This usually comes from injectors that need cleaning, fuel sensors, or minor adjustments in the injection system. In the shop, we check fuel pressure, calibrate sensors, and if needed, replace parts like injectors. As we always say, listen to what the engine is telling you before a small detail turns into a headache.